Okay, so my screen is visible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, we have started with, just a second. We've discussed regarding the number system. We have introduced the concept of signals. Okay, signals are basically of two different types. Okay, one is digital, other is analog. Okay, so that conversion is to be done. Okay, because for the larger area, because you want to communicate between from one place to another, that communication should happen at a longer range. For that to happen, you need to convert from analog to digital. So something is required to quantify them. So for quantifying them, we require a number system. So number system are basically the four major widely number system that we follow. The first one that we have studied throughout our career, that is basically called as a decimal number system, which has a base of, what is the base of
10.
decimal? It is 10. Okay, so we have decimal number system. Then we have got second number system, which is called as, which is understood by computers, which is called as
Binary.
binary, has a base of
0 and 1.
2.
base of 2, base of 2. Then we have got the third one, which is called as octal. Okay, which has been depleted now, has a base of
8.
8.
8. And lastly, we have got a hexadecimal, which has a base of
16.
16.
okay. So we'll quickly see that decimal start from, what is the decimal number start from? 0,
0 to 9.
0 to
1,
9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Binary, 0
0 and 1.
representation, 0 is represented as 0, 1 is represented as just 1, 2 can be represented as binary. Binary में कैसे represent करोगे 2 को? 1,
1 0.
3 को represent करने के लिए it is 1, 1, बराबर ना? 4 को represent करने के लिए we require 1, 0, 0. 5 को represent करने के लिए we require 1, 0, 1.
101.
6 के लिए 1, 1,
110
0. Good. 7 के लिए
111.
1, 8 के लिए
1 0 0 0.
1, 0, 0. 9,
1001.
1, 0, 0. Now octal can be represent 0. Decimal को octal में अगर represent करोगे तो कैसे होगा? 0 will represented as 0. 1 is represented as octal में
0 0 1.
octal में 1 ही होगा. 2 में 2 भी होगा. 3 3 होगा. 4 4 होगा. 5 5 होगा. 6 6 होगा. 7 7 होगा. 8 क्या होगा? What is the representation of decimal in octal? 8. 7 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? In octal
Nothing.
after 7 it is nothing. It is 7 के बाद it is 1 0. जैसे यहाँ पे 9 के बाद क्या आएगा? After 9 what comes? 10, right? After 9 comes what? 10. After 10 what comes? 11. You just change the unit place. So आप क्या करोगे? 1 यहाँ पे डाल दोगे carry and then you keep on changing that unit place. So 0. अगला क्या आएगा? 8 को 10 से रिप्रेजेंट किया. 9 को क्या किससे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे? 11 से. Are you guys getting it? Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Decimal 0, octal 0, decimal 1, octal 1, decimal 2, octal 2, decimal 3, octal 3, decimal 4, octal 4, decimal 5, octal 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 तक बराबर है. Decimal 8, octal we don't have 8 in octal because it is representation is from 0 to 7. अगला नंबर क्या होगा? 7 के बाद क्या करेगा वो? Roll back करेगा to 0. But that one carry has to be there. So 10 में आप 1 कर दोगे and 0 is again you start from 0 and you keep on going. कब तक जाओगे आप? 1 1 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 2 आएगा. 1 2 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 3 आएगा. 1 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 4 आएगा. 1 4 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 5 आएगा. 1 5 के बाद 1 6 1 7 1 7 के बाद 2 0. Are you guys getting it? 2 0 के बाद 2 1 2 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 7 के बाद 3 0 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 3 7 4 0. Are you guys getting it? It is just like decimal. Decimal में क्या है? 0 to 9 तक रहेगा. 9 के बाद 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9 1 9 के बाद 2 0. 1 9 के बाद 2 0 ना. Decimal के बाद 19 के बाद क्या आता है? 20 आता है ना. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll just see hexadecimal and it will get clear. Hexadecimal में we'll just look at the decimal. Just always focus on decimal. We are focusing on decimal and we'll try to see the respective decimal digit. Okay, so hexadecimal में 0 represented as decimal का 0 hexadecimal में कैसे represent होगा? 0 से ही 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 in hexadecimal is
A.
represented as A.
A.
11 is represented as B. 12 is represented as C. 13 is represented as D. Okay, 14 is represented as E. 15 is represented as F. What about 16? How you represent 16? Decimal का 16 क्या होगा hexadecimal में? F के बाद क्या आएगा?
D. E.
No. I'll repeat again. फिर से आप confuse हो रहे हो. I'll just repeat again. Okay. Decimal में we start from 0. This is about decimal. We start from 0. We go 1. We go 2. We keep on going until 9. 9 के बाद क्या आएगा? 10 आता है ना decimal में?
Yes.
Yes.
So आप क्या करते हो? We write down 0 के बाद वाला value which is 1 and फिर we start again from 0 and we keep on going up till 1 को हमेशा common रखोगे, फिर 0 को increment करोगे 1, उसका 2, उसके बाद 3, ये keep on going up till कहाँ तक जाओगे? 1 9. अब 1 9 के बाद क्या आएगा? You increment 10th place which is it becomes 2 and we again start from 0 and we go till what? We go till what? 2 9. 2 9 के बाद क्या आएगा? 2 को इंक्रीमेंट करोगे 1 से
30.
30 से 1 इधर जाएगा 39 तक. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस इन डेसिमल, राइट? सो 10 के बाद 11 आ जाता है, 11 के बाद ये 19 तक जाएगा, 19 के बाद 20 हो जाएगा, 20 से लेके 29 तक 10th प्लेस विल बी 2 और यूनिट प्लेस में आप 1 1 1 से इंक्रीमेंट करते चले जाओगे. सेम थिंग विल हैपन इन ऑक्टल आल्सो. ऑक्टल का क्या होगा? 0 से स्टार्ट होगा, 1 तक जाएगा, 2 तक जाएगा, ये 7 तक ऐसे ही चलेगा. 7 के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? 8 इज नॉट देयर, तो 7 के बाद क्या होगा? It will become 1 0.
1 0.
So this 1 0 of octal is equivalent to 8 of decimal. Are you guys getting it? Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
Yes,
1
sir.
0 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 1 आएगा, 1 1 के बाद क्या आएगा? 1 2 आएगा, इसके बाद धीरे धीरे कहाँ तक जाएगा? 1 7 तक. 1 7 के बाद 1 8 तो नहीं हो सकता because 8 is not a part of octal. So 1 7 के बाद क्या आएगा? What is
2
the
0.
0.
Now you are getting it? 2 0 से 2 7 तक जाएगा, 2 7 से किधर तक जाएगा? फिर अगला इज आफ्टर 2 7 वी हैव
3 0.
3 0.
3 0.
3 0 से 3 7, 3 7 से 4 0, 4 0 के बाद 4 7 and so on. Is that clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we'll see about hexadecimal. Hexadecimal will start from 0, it will go 1, it will go to 2, it will go till 9, 9 तक जाएगा. 10 of decimal is in hexadecimal is what?
A.
A. So it will go from 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C. We keep on going till E. F. F is equivalent to 15 of decimal. F is equivalent to 15 of decimal. अब F के बाद क्या आएगा in hexadecimal? Can someone tell me? After F what comes?
10.
It will be 10. उसके बाद 11, उसके बाद 12. It keeps on going till 1 F.
F.
1 F के बाद क्या आएगा? 2 0.
2 0.
क्या आएगा? कहाँ तक जाएगा ये?
2
2
9.
2
F. 2 F तक जाएगा, 9 तक नहीं जाएगा. 9 तक डेसिमल में जाता था, 7 तक ऑक्टल में जाता था, हेक्साडेसिमल में कहाँ तक जाएगा? F तक.
2 F.
F.
Is it clear? 2 F के बाद क्या
Yes,
आएगा?
sir.
2 F के बाद क्या आएगा? 3 0. 3 0 कहाँ तक जाएगा? कहाँ तक
3
जाएगा?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. We'll go to the now conversion part. Okay, so this we have seen in the last class. We'll go to the conversion part. So for conversion, we have seen binary conversion to all of right? We have seen that. Everybody agrees? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then हमने बाइनरी का कन्वर्जन स्टार्ट किया. बाइनरी का कन्वर्जन हमने स्टार्ट किया. सो विल जस्ट रिपीट अगेन. सो अगर बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है आपको, सो बाइनरी टू डेसिमल में अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, okay, so how to convert it? I'll just take an example. So I've taken example. What was the example that I've taken? 10101, right? This was the example that I've taken. Yeah.
Yes.
So this number,
Yes.
this number is what? This number is binary number. It is decimal. Is it hexadecimal? What is it?
Binary.
Binary.
I need to convert into something which is of decimal digit. So how to convert? What I need to do? I need to
Multiply each
Multiply
number
Multiply by 2 raised to 0 to 2
Yeah.
raised
Yeah. So I have 1 0 1 0 1. So what I'll do is each place has to be multiplied by 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1, then 2 raised to 2, then 2 raised to 3, then 2 raised to 4. Okay, so what we do is basically we try to multiply by 2. Okay, so if there is a 1, then we multiply it. So 2 raised to 0 is what? Can someone tell me? 2 raised to 0 is what? 1. So 1 into 1 is what? We just multiply this. We just multiply this. And at the end, what we do, we just add all the digit. So tell me, what is the value that you're getting? 1 into 2 is what? 1 into 1 is
1.
what? It is 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0.
Zero.
Okay. Then 1 into 4 is multiplied is 4. Anything again multiplied by 8 is 0. Sorry, multiplied by 0 is 0. Then 2 raised to 4 is what? 16. 16 into 1 is what? 16. So the total answer that you get is 21.
21.
The conversion is basically is 21. So this digit 10101 can be converted into 21 in decimal. This number, which is in decimal, is in decimal. Sorry, in binary, it means in decimal as 21. Is that clear? Is this conversion clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go to the fifth conversion. The fifth conversion that we are seeing is from binary to octal. Okay, यहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से मेरा नेट चला गया था, right?
Yes, sir.
So the fifth conversion is binary to octal. So again, we'll convert the same number, which is 10101. This, which is a binary number, we need to convert into something which is octal. Octal conversion from binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal is one of the easiest one. What you need to do is you need to just make a couple. You need to make a group of 3. 3 bit का group बनाना है आपको. Okay, so what we'll do? 10101 and this grouping. Okay, अभी हमने फिलहाल फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर नहीं देख रहे हैं, हम लोग नॉर्मल नंबर देख रहे हैं. सो नॉर्मल नंबर जब भी आप स्टार्ट करोगे, यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. You have to start from the right hand side. Okay, just remember the sequence. Right hand side से आपको grouping start करना है. Okay, you don't have to start from the left hand side. Okay, so yeah, so यहाँ से आप grouping start करोगे. So 101 एक group में आ जाएगा. This is one group that you have created. Second group में सिर्फ 2 ही digit है, but you have to make a group of 3. So you'll add what extra?
0.
You'll
0.
add extra 0. So 0 add करने से हमारा number में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Listen carefully. What I'm teaching right now, these are all unsigned number. Unsigned number का मतलब, unsigned का number का मतलब, there is no sign associated with it. There is no sign. Sign का मतलब there is no negative number, positive number. Everything is positive right now. As soon as negative number comes, everything changes. Everything changes. Okay. So whatever I'm teaching right now is unsigned number that we're talking about. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somewhere in your book at the top right, just write down sign numbers and unsigned numbers. Signed numbers are the number which has sign into it, which can be positive or negative. Unsigned numbers are always positive. Without any doubt, unsigned numbers are always positive. So right now what we are talking about unsigned numbers. Is it clear? Signed numbers will come very, very late. Signed numbers will come very late. So all the conversion that we have seen till now, all the number system representation, whatever we have seen, all these are unsigned numbers we are talking about. हमने signed numbers को अभी तक छेड़ा ही नहीं है. Okay? Is it clear? Have you
Yes,
written?
sir.
Have you written? Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So हम क्या करेंगे, बाइनरी को ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जो भी बाइनरी डिजिट दिया गया, विल मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3. विल जस्ट मेक अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3, बट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड, नॉट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके, सो हमने पहले यहाँ से ग्रुप किया. जैसे ही अगर Do inform me. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Abhi audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a fluctuation of network in the college. I don't know what is the reason. Yeah. So what यहाँ तक clear है आपका? What we are doing is we are making a group of 3. After making a group of 3, we try to convert into decimal now. 101 को decimal में convert करो क्या हो जाएगा? What it will become? What is 101? It is 5. Everybody is getting how to convert it. You use the same thing, same conversion method use करना है. पहले digit को just multiply by 2 raised to 0. Second digit को just multiply by 2 raised to 1. Third digit को just multiply by 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 4. 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Second digit, whatever it will be, 2 raised to 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Second, the first digit that you have just multiplied by 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 is nothing but 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Are you guys getting it? ये 5 कैसे आया? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What about this 3 digit? What about this 3 digit?
2.
So it is 2. How you are getting 2? First digit is 0. So naturally उसके साथ कुछ भी multiply करोगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. Second digit is 1. Multiply 1 with 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 is nothing but 2. So 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2. बाकी सारे दूसरे भी digit 0 है. So 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2. So you get 25. Are you guys getting it? So this is nothing but, this thing is nothing but 25 in octal. Is it clear? Binary to octal clear हो गया? कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just take a random number 101101001. Try to convert into octal. It should happen within a minute. 1 minute में आंसर आना चाहिए. सबसे पहले क्या करें? This is it is 551.
551.
Yeah, good. Everybody is getting? Everybody
Yes,
is
sir.
getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just take another random number 01011011001. Try to convert this number. So this 3.
Five,
1331.
1331. 1331.
1331. Right.
133.
1331.
1331.
1331.
1331.
सर गायब हो गए.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एग्जाम चालू है, उसकी वजह से बहुत नेटवर्क में फ्लक्चुएशन हो रहा है. There is a railway examination which is going on right now in our college. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll just quickly take another example. Just try to convert final time. Okay. We'll just try to convert it to octal number. Okay. So 01101 0011110. Yeah. Just try to convert this number into octal. So this 3, then this 3, and this 3, right? So 3,
1, 3, 3.
2, 3, 6.
6.
बराबर ना 3236.
3236.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So this is how you convert binary to octal. Okay, I'll just go to the next slide. The, the next conversion, which is conversion number 6, which is binary to hexadecimal. It is also one of the easiest one. Okay, so instead of making a group of 3, how much group you need to make?
4.
4.
4. Okay, so I'll just 101. Try to convert this into hexadecimal. Do I need to explain this? Yeah, kar lo yaar. So 0101 is one group, and this one is left alone, so we'll add extra 3 to it. Okay, so it has become now 2 groups. So this one is what? This 4 is
1.
it is 1.
1.
What about this one?
5.
5.
5.
So in
15.
hexadecimal we can write down 15. Don't forget
15.
to write down 16 over here. Do not forget to write 16 over there. Okay, or else the examiner will assume that you have converted into decimal number. Okay, so better always.
Sir, 51E.
Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've switched the network now. I hope abhi net chalega barabar. I've switched to some other Wi-Fi. Okay. My screen is not shared ना? दिख रहा है मेरा screen नहीं ना?
Nine.
Okay, okay. Visible now? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So everybody got the same answer, 5-1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we convert binary to hexadecimal. The next conversion, which is conversion number 7. Okay. This binary to hexadecimal is one of the most important conversion, okay, and hexadecimal to binary also, okay, which we'll be seeing shortly. It is also important, okay. We'll just see the next conversion number 7. Conversion number 7 is basically octal to hexadecimal. Octal to hexadecimal. So how to convert to octal to hexadecimal? So let's take one example. The example is 745. 745. Which type of number is this? Octal, decimal, hexadecimal?
Octal.
It is octal. We need to convert it into some digit which has to be hexadecimal. Okay, how to convert? The easiest way is first try to convert this octal number into binary. Once it has been converted into binary, convert it into hexadecimal again. Are you guys getting it? क्या करना है? Convert 745 into binary. How to convert 745 into binary? So 5 को convert into binary, which should be in group of 3. So how to write down 5 in group of 3? What is 5?
101.
0.
101.
4 has to be written down into group of 3. So 4 कैसे लिखोगे?
100.
100. And this 7 has to be written down into group of 111. Okay, so this is what we get into binary. Binary में क्या मिला मुझे? 1111 0 0 1 0 1. This is what I've got. Now it has been converted into binary. Now convert this number back into hexadecimal. So how to convert it? Again, do a grouping
Group
of
of 4. Group
Four.
of 4.
So I'll make this one group. I'll make this one group, and I'll add extra how many zeros?
3.
3.
3 zeros. This will be my third group. So now tell me the number. It is 1. It is
E5.
E and
5.
5. So what I've got? I've got 1 E5 as my answer. Is it simple? Simple? Is it simple?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll take another random number. We'll do the other way around. Okay, you do this on your own. We'll try to convert hexadecimal into octal. It is on the similar basis. Hexadecimal to octal. Okay, so I'll take a random number which is AE5. Okay, it is an hexadecimal number. Try to convert into some number which is of a base 8 or octal number. So over here, every digit of hexadecimal has to be converted into 4 binary digit. Okay, so just write down 5 into 4 binary digit. How it can be represented? 5 कैसे represent करोगे?
101.
101 अगर आप लिखोगे तो ये 3 digit हुआ. You have to make a 4 digit.
0101.
010.
0101. E has to be represented into 4 digit of binary. कैसे होगा? E is nothing but 14. 14 करने के लिए आपको 1 8 4 12 नहीं 8
01.
11 नहीं 1 सेकंड
1101.
1101 8 4 12 12 और 1 13 नहीं 1 सेकंड
Sir,
Triple
110.
110 yeah 8 4 12 13 14 14 E is 14 so 110 yeah and A is nothing but 10 10 is nothing but 8 this is 0
10110.
0 so this is 8 plus 2 which is 10 so this is what I get. Everybody got this answer as the binary conversion?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After getting into binary, the first step is whatever is your hexadecimal number, convert into binary. Second step, whatever you have got the binary number, group into bits of 3. Group into bits of 3. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make this one group, I'll make this as one group, I'll make this as one group, and I'll add extra how much? 1 0. Yeah, is this what everybody got? So this 101 is nothing but
5.
this 100 is nothing but this is 1.
5.
This is 4.
4.
This 101 is what? 5. And this 010 is what? So everybody is getting the same answer 2545.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you guys getting the same answer? Done? Is it clear? Is it clear how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll just give some random exercise and you need to do it on your own, okay? Be fast, okay? So yeah, 75. Yeah, do this. How to read this? How to read this question? Convert.
Decimal to binary.
Divide
Yeah,
by
convert 75 in decimal to a binary digit. Just tell me the answer. Whoever gets the first answer, just tell me.
111101.
111
1 101.
101.
Okay. Is this everybody getting the same answer? Take your time. Don't be
Yes,
too
sir.
fast. Don't be too fast. Okay. Take your time, confirm it, and then tell me the answer. आगे चले?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Convert the same number. Convert the same number 75, which is there in decimal. Convert into octal. Array, how can be 75 is this correct one? Is this correct?
No, sir.
I think it is
One
wrong.
double
सर
zero
मेरा
one one
आंसर आ रहा है 1001011.
75 को अगर डेसिमल में
Yes,
करना
sir.
है तो आपको 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा।
1001011.
अरे तो बोलो
Yes,
ना,
sir.
आपका गलत आ रहे तो गलत बोलो उसको। Just do the
मेरा ये
counter.
है.
Okay. I'll just check and be with me. Okay. So 2 को अगर आप 75 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या होगा? It is 3,
37.
37. Remainder is 1. उसके बाद 2 से डिवाइड करो, what you'll get? 1 and 6. 6 ना? Remainder is नहीं.
8.
8. My bad. Remainder is 1. Okay. Then you divide 18 by 2. You'll get 9. Remainder is 0. You divide 9 by 2. You'll get 4 as the answer. Remainder is 1. You divide 4 by 2. You'll get 2 as the answer. You'll get remainder as 0. You divide 2 by 2. You'll get 1 as the answer and the remainder is 0. So what you get answer as is this is what you get as the answer. What you get 100 1011. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
How many got this one as the right answer first? Anybody got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. आपको चेक करना है क्या ये exactly 75 बनता है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Multiply this 1 with 2 raised to 0. This has 2 raised to 1. This with 2 raised to 2. This with 2 raised to 3. This with 2 raised to 4. This with 2 raised to 5. This with 2 raised to 6. What is 2 raised to 6? Can someone tell me? 2 raised to 0 is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 8. This is 16. This is 32. This is
64.
64.
64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Can someone confirm what is the answer? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 64 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75.
75.
So that means this is the correct one. This is the correct one. और ये जो बता रहा था, जो भी आंसर बता रहा था, जिसका भी ये आंसर था, just get the decimal value of this. Get the decimal value. 111 Get the decimal value. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32. So what is this? 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. कितना हो गया? 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 32 is 52. 52 plus 9 is how much? 61. I think this is 61. Is it 61? 61, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can see, if you try to be outsmart and try to do it as fast as possible, you'll always fail. Okay. So be patient and get the answer. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So yeah, I'll just give some other number. Just do it. Take your time and do it. Okay. 38, which is decimal, try to convert into hexadecimal. It is very simple. What you need to do, instead of dividing by 2, what you need to do, divide 38 by 16. What will get? 16 to the 16 to the
32.
32. Remainder is
26.
6. So this is what you get as the output. So this is 26. Everybody is getting 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now convert 38, exactly 38, okay, into a binary. Do it fast, but be accurate.
One zero zero one one zero
1 0 0
one one zero
1 1 0
100
1 0 0. Is it correct?
100.
1 0 0 1 0 0. ये भी एक आंसर आ रहा है. और कुछ आ रहा है क्या आंसर?
100 110.
110. So which is the first one? और कोई आंसर?
100 111.
1 0 111. This cannot be answer. This cannot be answer. अगर 111 आ गया इसका मतलब the number is odd or even.
100 110.
110. Okay. Which
Sir,
was it?
sorry, sir. 100 110 is right.
110. This पहला वाला सही था सबका?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I think yeah, convert करने के लिए क्या होगा? This is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32. So 32 plus 4 plus 2. 32 plus 6 is how much? 32 plus 6 is 38. So this is the correct one. Yeah. Now convert 38 into octal. Convert into octal. So what you'll do? You have already got a binary. Make a group of
3.
3. What you'll get? This is what? And this is what?
66.
This is 4 and this is 6. What will you get? 46.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do with the second method also. 38, try to divide by 8. Are you guys getting the same answer? Just check it out. So how many times? कितने बार मिल जाएगा 38? 8 4s are 30, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 4s are, what is the remainder that I get? 6. So this is what I get as the answer, 46. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
convert 38 into, और कुछ बचा क्या? नहीं हो गया ना मेरे ख्याल से? हो गया. ठीक है. नहीं हो गया मेरे ख्याल से हो गया. Okay, so this is the conversion that we've seen. So this conversion that we have seen, all these numbers are integers. All these numbers are integers. Okay. The next part that we are going to see, we have to see the fractional part also. Okay. मतलब हमने अब तक conversion जो देखा है, वो हमने 12 का या ऐसा कुछ whole number का देखा है. We haven't seen for the floating point number. जैसे 12.12 इसका conversion कैसे करेंगे? So the next conversion we are talking about, we are going to see how to convert the floating point number or the decimal numbers. Is that clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just write down the next topic as decimal conversion of floating numbers. Or you can just write down conversion of floating numbers. Just write down the heading as conversion of floating numbers. Okay. So how to convert? Okay, it is also quite simple. It is not that difficult. Okay, we'll just first understand the basics of it, and एक बार वो clear हो गया, then automatically फिर बाकी simple ही है, ऐसा कुछ difficult नहीं. So we have got, let's say, we'll see first one as binary to decimal. Okay, we'll see first binary to decimal. So अगर एक number दिया है which is 1101 011, Okay, this is a binary number. Is it a floating number or is it a complete number or is it an integer? What is it? Is it floating number?
Floating number.
Floating number.
It's floating number. What I need to do? I need to convert decimal equivalent. I need to convert this numbers to decimals equivalent. So what I'll do is, yeah. So this part that I have and this part that I have from from point before point, I'll just try to multiply by 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. After the point, whatever is there, we need to start from 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3. This is how we do. This is how we convert binary to the respective octal or hexadecimal or any number. बट डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपका यही तरीका है. ओके, आई विल जस्ट रिपीट अगेन. कैसे किया हमने? पॉइंट से पहले 2 रेज़ टू 0, 2 रेज़ टू 1, 2 रेज़ टू 2, 2 रेज़ टू 3, 2 रेज़ टू 4, 2 रेज़ टू n तक. पॉइंट के बाद इट इज 2 रेज़ टू -1, 2 रेज़ टू -2, 2 रेज़ टू -3 अप टिल 2 रेज़ टू -m. ओके, सो जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दिस. जस्ट ट्राई टू डू द कैलकुलेशन. सो क्या हो जाएगा? पॉइंट से पहले व्हाटएवर बिफोर पॉइंट व्हाट विल गेट, इट इज 2 रेज़ टू 0 which is 1, 1 into 1. Are you guys getting the same thing? Plus 0 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 3. This is what we get before the point. After the point, kya hai? It is plus 0 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. Okay, now just simplify this. 1 raised to 2 raised to 3 is 1 into 2 raised to 3 is what? What is the value of this number? It is 8 plus what is the next value?
4,
4,
What is the next value?
0,
0,
0. Next value?
1,
1. What is the next value? Anything multiplied by 0 is 0, right?
yes,
Yeah. What is
Yes.
the next value? 1 by
1 by 2,
4,
4. What is the next value? 1 by 8. Okay. Now tell me the value. 8 plus 4 plus 1 is what?
13,
13 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. What is the value of 1 by 8? Anybody has a calculator? Just do it. 0.125 is it? यही आएगा ना मेरे ख्याल से. 0.25 का half is 0.125, I think. Yeah.
Yes, 0.125.
Yeah. Just add it. क्या आएगा आंसर?
13.375.
13.375. So this is what you get the equivalent decimal number. Everybody got this? Concept समझ में आया कैसे करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So हमने binary to decimal देख लिया. एक random number लेते हैं. Just do on your own. Okay. I'll just take a random number which is 101.001. Just try to convert this into decimal number and tell me the answer. So before point, I am sure it is 5. What is after point?
5.125.
5.125.
5.125.
1 to 5. Everybody is getting the same answer. Is this the answer that you're getting? 5.125.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One more example. Just do it for checking. Are you guys getting it? 1010.101. Just try to convert this into decimal. Art to this. It is 10 point. The first one is 1 divided by 0.5 0.5 plus. It is 625, I think.
10.625.
10.625.
6 to 5.
10.625.
Everybody got the answer? Those who
Yes.
require time, just say it. Okay, just say it. So wait for 2 minutes. Anybody require that 2 minutes? Anybody? Nobody wants me to wait. Okay, आगे चले? Should we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. We'll go to the next conversion. The next conversion is the same floating point number we are talking about. Okay. So the next is we have done binary to decimal. Now we need to do binary to octal. Okay. And then we'll do binary to hexadecimal, and we'll just close out this topic. We'll go to the next topic in the next class. Binary to hexadecimal. Okay, this is conversion number 3 for floating point numbers. Binary to octal. Okay, we'll take some random number. It is 1101.00101. Okay, ऐसा कोई भी एक random number ले लो. Okay, so this is a binary number. I need to convert it into octal. Okay, it is quite simple. इसमें कुछ उतना सोचने वाला नहीं है. जो अब तक करते हुए आए हैं वही करना है आपको. ओके, पॉइंट से पहले विच इज योर इंटीजर पार्ट, वो आपको ग्रुपिंग करने के लिए आपको इस तरफ जाना पड़ेगा, और पॉइंट के उस तरफ जाने के लिए आपको ग्रुपिंग इस तरफ से करना पड़ेगा. और जिसका ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा है आप दोनों तरफ 0 लगा सकते हैं. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट विद मेकिंग द ग्रुप फ्रॉम दिस साइड. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ग्रुप, दिस इज द सेकंड ग्रुप. You append 0, how much? How many zeros you want to append? 2 zeros.
So,
On the right hand side of the point, आप यहाँ से grouping start करोगे. So 001 एक group बन जाएगा, and then 101 एक group बन जाएगा. कोई 0 add करने की जरूरत नहीं. Now tell me the answer. It is 1. What is this?
3.15.
3.15. Okay, so what we'll get as 153.15. Is it clear? I'll give a random number, just do the conversion. 0.101010. Do the conversion. डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने में थोड़ा टाइम जाता है, बट ऑक्टल में इज वेरी सिंपल. सो इज इन हेक्साडेसिमल. One group 0 30.
127.13.
127.5.
Sorry, repeat again.
127.54. 127.54.
Everybody is getting the same answer.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you have to add extra 0, so this will become 4, this will become 5, this is point, this is 7, this is 2, this is 127.5. But we'll do the binary one. Binary one is also quite hexadecimal one. It is also quite simple. Okay, just instead of making a group of 3, how many group you have to make? Group of
4.
So I'll just make a random number 101.010.11011. Do the conversion to hexadecimal. That's right. Group of 4. No?
4A.D8.
4A.D8.
D8. Okay. 3 zeros make it 8. Okay. 4A.D8. Is everybody getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Another example, and we'll go to the next conversion. Okay. So 101.010. 0 1 0 0 1 1 point 1 1 0 1 1 0. Do this and we are good to go. You need to play with the numbers, okay? So आज ये होने के बाद ना घर पे बैठ के या गूगल पे just search as many numbers as possible and just try to do the conversion, okay? एक बार हाथ बैठ गया then it will be more fun to do.
293.8.
293.d8.
293.d8.
D8.
Okay. Everybody is getting the same?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. Fine. So this is this is the conversion that we have done. एक और conversion करके conversion खत्म ही कर देते हैं. Okay. Hardly it will take more 5 minutes. Okay. So the next conversion that we are seeing is the decimal conversion of floating point number. So अभी तक हमने binary का देखा. We'll just do the next conversion, which is the decimal से convert करने के लिए. So this is conversion number 4. So it is decimal to binary. Okay. We'll be saying decimal to binary. अभी तक हमने क्या देखा था? बाइनरी टू डेसिमल देखा, बाइनरी टू हेक्साडेसिमल देखा, बाइनरी टू ऑक्टल देखा. अब हम डेसिमल टू बाइनरी देखेंगे, डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल देखेंगे, डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल देखेंगे. ओके, सो विल जस्ट टेक सम रैंडम नंबर, लेट्स से 48.125. okay, this we need to convert, which is a decimal number, we need to convert into binary. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? So this number थोड़ा सा लॉजिक है इसके अंदर. इट हैज जस्ट 2 पार्ट. ओके, कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर अगर आप देखोगे इसके अंदर 2 पार्ट होगा. दिस फर्स्ट पार्ट इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज इंटीजर पार्ट एंड द सेकंड पार्ट इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज अ फ्लोटिंग पार्ट. ओके, सो 2 पार्ट है हमारे पास, इंटीजर पार्ट एंड फ्लोटिंग पार्ट. ओके, और यू कैन आल्सो कॉल एज अ फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. ओके, सो इंटीजर पार्ट के साथ आपको क्या करना था, अगर आपको याद होगा पहले हम कन्वर्जन कैसे करते थे. वी डू व्हाट, डिवाइड बाय 48 को अगर मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है बाइनरी में तो क्या करता था मैं, 48 को डिवाइड किससे करता था? What I used to do? 2 से. I used to divide by 2. फ्रैक्शन के पार्ट को अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, you need to do what? मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा किससे? 2 से. So this is the only difference that you need to do. कैसे करना है वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. So we'll first convert the integer part. 48 को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है. So how you need to do is, आप क्या करोगे? Divide by 2. Tell me.
11100.
एक स्टेप करके बताओ यार, इतना फास्ट मत जाओ. It is 24. Remainder is 0. Again divide by 2. It is 12. Remainder is 0. Again 6. Remainder is 0. Divide by 2. 3. Remainder is 0. Divide by 2. 1. Remainder is 1. It cannot divide, so the answer is this one. Are you guys getting the same answer? It is 11
Yes,
4
sir.
times 0.
Yes, sir.
So what we get is 11 and 4 times 0. अब पॉइंट की बारी है. पॉइंट को करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? पॉइंट यहाँ पे आप लिख लो. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट दैट यू हैव? इट इज 0.125. यू जस्ट नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. टेल मी द आंसर. इट इज 0.250. यहाँ पे रुकना है. ये वाला जो वैल्यू है इसको नोट करना है. सो व्हाट यू गेट? 0. Now take the result that you have. So what result you have got? 0.250. Again multiply by 2. What is the answer that you get? It is 0.5. Okay. Again take the integer value. What is the integer value? You get 0. Okay. Now 0.5 multiply by 2. What you get answer as? 1. Now take the integer value, which is 1. Okay. Now you have 0. Anything multiplied by 0, what you will get? 0. So यहाँ से आ गया का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 0 0 0 0. So you need to stop over here. So what you get is 0 0 1 0. Now the sequence is important. Okay. Earlier हम लोग नीचे से ऊपर जाते थे. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ऊपर से नीचे आएगा. Okay. So you just need to complete this whole thing. So what you'll get is 1 1 0 0 0 0 point. What you'll get? Tell me the extension. 0 0 1 0. So this is what you get as the answer. Is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll just give you a random random sum. Just do it on your own. Okay? Yes.
वो कितने तक करना है वो नहीं समझा मेरे को.
क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये कब तक करना है, ये तो जब तक आपका रिपीटेशन ना जाए, दो जगह पे आप स्टॉप कर सकते हो। अगर आपको रिपीटेशन देखने लगा, ओके, इफ देयर इज अ रिपीटेशन दैट इज हैपनिंग, जैसे 001 फिर 001 फिर 001, अगर ये रिपीटेशन दिख रहा है आपको, आप वहां पे स्टॉप कर सकते हो। दूसरा, द बेस्ट वे इज स्टॉप एट 5th प्लेस। 5th प्लेस तक आप करो, उसके बाद छोड़ दो, उसके आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है। ओके, तो दैट इज अ लिमिट। ओके, 5th प्लेस तक कर दिया, बहुत हो गया, उससे ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं, या तो रिपीटेशन या तो 5th प्लेस, दैट्स इट। इज दैट क्लियर? So yeah, so this is the conversion. I'll just give you a random sum, 48.60. Just try to get its respective yeah, binary value. So पहला part तो initial same ही होगा, the integer part, which is 48. Just do the secondary part, which is the fraction part, and tell me the answer. I'll write down the integer part over here. It is 1 1 4 times 0 point. Tell me the answer. एक एक वैल्यू बोलते जाओ, क्या आ रहा है? पहला बिट कुछ मिल रहा आपको? 0.6 into 2 is how much? Am I there in the meet? Am I there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think first you get first bit as 1. उसके आगे 1.2 0, 0.4, 0.4 का 0.8, 8 is again 0, 8 के बाद फिर 1, उसके बाद 16, और फिर रिपीट होना चला जाएगा। Is it 101 10001 1?
Yes, sir.
बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what you will get. Okay, quickly, यही चीज आपको डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल में करना है। सेम थिंग, सेम एग्जैक्टली सेम। ओके, सो डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल और डेसिमल टू हेक्साडेसिमल इज एग्जैक्टली सेम। ओके, कैसे करेंगे? देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट। ओके, एग्जैक्टली सेम। लेट्स से व्हिच वाज 48 पॉइंट, क्या था पहला क्वेश्चन? 48.125। यही इसको अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, आप क्या करोगे? 48 को यू कीप ऑन डिवाइडिंग बाय 2 पहले कर देते। ऑक्टल में क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड किससे करेंगे? Am I there? 8 से। 0.125 को हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे किससे? 8 से। So do the same thing. So 48 we divide by 8. So tell me the answer. 8 divided by 48 is how much? 8 6 are 48.
6.
Remainder is 0. 6 cannot be divided further, so it is 60. 60. Everybody agrees with it?
Yes.
Next is we need to do the fraction part. So 0.125. Instead of multiplying by 2, we need to multiply by 8. What you'll get the answer? Tell me the answer.
1.
How it will be 1? You need to use your calculator. Okay. Exactly 1 आ रहा है?
1.0.
Okay, हाँ.
1.01.
1.0. So 1.0 है तो आपका ये वाला part will be captured, which is 1. Next is 0. You have got 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. So it is 1 0 basically. So what you get as the output? It is basically this part you have taken from top to bottom. You just need to continue over here, and you need to come from bottom to top. Top to bottom now. So it is 60.10. Everybody understood how to do this? Everybody understood how to do this? I'll just give a random number. 48.65. I'll tell the answer. The answer is basically it is 60 point. It is 5463. 5463. Do check on your own. Okay. Similarly, you need to do this for hexadecimal also. Convert the same number 48.65, which is a decimal number, convert into hexadecimal. Is that clear? And let me know by tomorrow. Is that clear? Convert 48.65 in octal also, convert 48.65 into hexadecimal also. You need to do this same step, okay? Instead of multiplying by 8 and multiplying in hexadecimal, you need to multiply by 16. Similarly, अगर आपको divide करना है 8 से, तो वहाँ पे divide करना है 16 से. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You can leave. Are you guys getting it? कुछ doubt है किसी को? समझ में आ रहा अब तक? Is it fun to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You can leave.
सर वो कहाँ पे स्टॉप करना है वो एक बार वापस समझाओ ना सर.
ओके. स्टॉप करने के लिए एक तो या तो नंबर 0 हो जाएगा तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली आप आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे. दूसरा, अगर रिपीटेशन हो रहा है, इफ देयर इज अ रिपीटेशन व्हिच इज हैपनिंग, जैसे कि अगर आप कोई भी नंबर को आप जैसे लेट्स से 3 को अगर आप एक सेकेंड 10 को अगर आप 3 से डिवाइड करते हो तो व्हाट विल गेट एज द आंसर? फर्स्ट टाइम में जाएगा 3 को 3 से 9 3 बार जाएगा तो 9 हो जाएगा. उसके बाद फिर वो पॉइंट के आगे 3 बढ़ते चले जाएगा, राइट? सो व्हाट यू डू इज आप वहां पे स्टॉप करते हो, 3.33 करके आप रुक जाते हो. तो सिमिलरली आप जैसे रिपीटेशन आएगा आपको उधर ही होल्ड करना. दिस इज द सेकंड स्टॉप. थर्ड स्टॉप, अगर आपका रिपीटेशन नहीं हो रहा है, जस्ट गो टू 5 स्पेसेस, 5 डिजिट तक आपको जाना है. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल, जैसे नॉर्मल आप करते थे ना वैसे ही करना है. 3 ही तरीका है. एक, अगर 0 आ गया तो आपको नेचुरली स्टॉप ही करना है क्योंकि आगे सिर्फ 0 आते ही जाएगा. दूसरा, अगर रेपिटेशन आ रहा है तो आप पहला पूरा कंप्लीट करो, दूसरे रेपिटेशन के बाद आप रुक जाओ. और तीसरा, फाइनली आपका अगर 5 डिजिट हो गया आप उधर ही रुक जाओ, उसके आगे आपको निकलने की जरूरत नहीं.
सर एक बार वो एक समझाओगे क्या? 48.60 का अपने डेसिमल टू बाइनरी किया वो
48, एक सेकेंड ना, 48 का 48.60 को
60 का डेसिमल टू बाइनरी.
ओके ओके. .60 which is a decimal number I need to convert into binary. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, पहले 48 को डिवाइड करना चालू करूँगा 2 से. ओके. सो मैं क्या करूँगा, 2 से डिवाइड किया तो मुझे मिला 24, रिमाइंडर इज 0. फिर 2 से डिवाइड किया आई विल गेट व्हाट 12, रिमाइंडर इज 0. फिर 2 से किया आई विल गेट 6, द रिमाइंडर इज 0. फिर 2 से किया तो व्हाट आई विल गेट 3, द रिमाइंडर इज 0. फिर 2 से किया आई विल गेट 1, द रिमाइंडर इज 1. And 1 cannot be further divided. So this is what I'll get as the output for 48. What I'll get 1 1 0 0 0 0. यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
यस सर.
हाँ. अब 60 को मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है, 0.60 को मुझे 0.60 को मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है. सो द पॉइंट के बाद वाला पार्ट विच इज द फ्रैक्शन पार्ट, उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इंस्टेड ऑफ डिवाइडिंग आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई नाउ. सो 0.60 को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा 2 से. पहले मैं फ्रैक्शन से पहले यानी इंटीजर वाले पार्ट को मैं डिवाइड कर रहा था, फ्रैक्शन वाला पार्ट को मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. ओके. सो 0.6 into 2 मैं जब करूंगा, सो व्हाट आई विल गेट एज द आंसर 6 to 12 1.2. 1.2 मुझे मिला. इसका जो इंटीजर वाला पार्ट है यानी जो रियल वाला पार्ट है, ओके, व्हिच इज नॉट द नंबर व्हिच इज बिफोर पॉइंट, दैट आई विल रिकॉर्ड इट. सो 1 आ गया यहाँ पे. ओके. फिर मैं 1.2 को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा 2 से. व्हाट आई विल गेट, सॉरी 1. आप सिर्फ 0.2 को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 2 से. Okay, you'll leave this part, you'll just leave this part. Okay, don't repeat this again. सिर्फ 0.2 आप लोगे और उसको 2 से डिवाइड 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. What you'll get 0.4. 0.4 मिला तो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका 0 आ गया. अब क्या करोगे, 0.4 को 2 से आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे फिर से. What you'll get 0.8. So this 0 you'll capture again and it will become 0. अब 0.8 को आप क्या करोगे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you'll get what 1.6. So this 1 is captured over here, and instead of taking 1.6 down, you will take 0.6. You will leave one part. 1 वाला पार्ट नहीं लोगे. तो 0.6 को अगर आप फिर से 2 से करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, it will become 1.2. 1.2 क्या हो गया 1. If you look closely, यहाँ से repetition चालू हो गया आपका, बराबर ना.
sir.
So you need to stop over here. So the number that you'll get finally is, you'll follow this same sequence. So what is it? Point के बाद 1 0 0 1 1. Is it clear?
यस सर, सो वही समझ नहीं रहता वो 1
Okay.
को साथ में रिकॉर्ड करने के
नहीं,
बाद
नहीं, नहीं।
1.2
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ।
को मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि 0.2 को।
अभी समझ में आ गया? 1.2
Yes.
अगर है आपका, आप वो 1 रिकॉर्ड करोगे और ये 1.2 की जगह आप यहाँ पे 0.2 लिखोगे. You don't
Sir.
record the integer part.
और अगर
Multiplication के लिए integer.
ऑक्टेल या फिर हेक्साडेसिमल में करना है तो 1.2
Same
को
thing.
ही मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना?
सेम थिंग. जब भी आपका डेसिमल के बाद वाली वैल्यू को आपको नीचे लेके मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
सर बट ऑक्टेल में फिर भी 0.2 लेना है।
जैसे समझ लो 0.6 है, इसको मेरे को कन्वर्ट करना ऑक्टल में, तो मैं 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 48, 4.8, राइट? बराबर ना?
यस
4.8 को कैप्चर करूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 4, बराबर?
यस सर
आफ्टर फ्रैक्शन वाला पार्ट नीचे आएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? 0.8
ओके
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. व्हाट इज द आंसर? 64. यानी 6.4. व्हाट विल कैप्चर? 6. अब क्या आ जाएगा नीचे? 0.4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. व्हाट विल गेट? 3.2. क्या कैप्चर होगा? 3. फिर क्या आएगा नीचे? 0.2. 0.2 into 8 is 1.6. व्हाट विल गेट? 1. उसके बाद 6 आया तो क्या करोगे आप? फिर 0.6 into 8. व्हाट विल गेट? 4.8 which is 4. सो रिपीटेशन चालू हो गया. आप क्या लोगे यहाँ पे? 4 6 3 1 4. एग्जैक्टली. ये पॉइंट से पहले जो भी आपका वैल्यू होगा, आई थिंक इट इज 60. आई थिंक इट इज 60. तो 60.46314 ये कुछ आंसर
यस
है.
सर समझा।
समझ में आया?
यस सर थैंक यू सर।
ओके, चलो भाई, टेक केयर. एनीबॉडी एल्स?